Mic check. You're welcome to Quebec 9. My name is Olahari, and today we are discussing market structure. And we are doing fine in all our trades, and I can assure you that if you join our classes, you will make a lot of profits. Yes, that's just the way it is. So you're welcome once again. So this segment is sponsored by bybit. Bybits are the official sponsor of our YouTube classes. Okay, this happens Tuesdays and Thursdays. We always have our meetings Mondays to Saturday. Okay, that will be on Telegram, but we only pick out 2 days to come on YouTube. Yeah, thank you very much for that. And we also have 3 major classes. We have 3 major classes that we always conduct. We have the beginners class that obviously is for the new members, those who want to start their journey in the crypto space, who want to ensure that they want to continue to ensure that they understand what is going on in the market. Now we now have advanced class. Currently, this class is an advanced class. Okay, we discuss different topics about trading, different topics about how you can become profitable, and different topics to ensure you stay in the market, to understand what it takes to become a profitable trader profitable trader, because that's very important. Then we also have the masterclass. You want to learn strategies. You want signals, reliable signals that will give you profits. I can assure you the masterclass can do that for you. Okay? Yes, we've been eating it back to back in the masterclass to ensure that we make good profits for our account, and I can assure you that has been a wonderful thing we've been doing regularly. Okay, so thank you very much for joining me once again. And today our topic is centered around market structure. We want to understand how exactly do you moving all the way from price action to indicator to even taking signals from other people. But when you want to take signals from other people, I can assure you that the best way is also have a better understanding by yourself. Yes, so before we move into today's topic proper, guys, thank you very much for joining me, and I would like you to smash the like button. And if you're new, you're just joining me for the first time, I'll be so glad if you can just smash the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel, and that will be something that I will going to be very grateful about. And if you like this, and don't forget that this year one of our plan is to grow our YouTube account, and that's the reason why we have to embark on this journey. And Bybit is the one sponsoring this segment. Mic check. Am I audible? Okay. So thank you very much, guys. And today our topic is centered around market structure. You see, market structure is something that helps a lot of crypto futures traders to ensure that you understand and know the market movement. You know where the market is heading to. If you understand market structure, you know how the market will play out, and you also understand well that the market works side by side with BTC. Yes, that is something. Yes, because I even have a course that discussed about BTC dominance. Yes, BTC dominance, and I can assure you that that is a wonderful topic that will actually help you to ensure that you don't miss it. No matter what you do, you have to always factor BTC into your trade. You have to factor BTC into your trade, because the BTC, because of the large market cap, it will always pump other coins, that's altcoins, and it will also dump other coins. Okay, though the specific irony behind that, currently I can't speak about that until on that, then we can now discuss something good. Because if BTC is going down, majority of the altcoins are also going down. If BTC is going up, majority of the altcoins are also going up, right? Now, the reason why I brought this market structure is because of BTC. If BTC moves 1%, some coins are already moving 5 tenths. Some coins are already moving above 2. Even Ethereum will be moving about 1.5 or 2% sometimes. That's if BTC is on the upside. Now, what I want to say about that is BTC itself, because of the cap, the volatility is becoming a bit controlled. And the more the market cap grows, the lesser the volatility. Understand that. So when you're doing your analysis, you always have to factor BTC into your analysis. It makes things easier for you, and it ensures that you minimize loss as low as you want to. Because don't forget that losses are also part of the game, as part of trading. Okay, you have to factor that. Okay, risk. Okay, you have to always factor risk into your trading. That's more or less like constant. Okay. Yep. Now, sometimes when you do your analysis on other altcoins and you do your analysis on BTC is on the uptrend, you are hoping that BTC might probably move 1.5. If your analysis is right, you see there are some coins whereby they will not move, and that coin is supposed to go short. They won't move above 1.5 as BTC. They will move less. They will only show small red candle, maybe 0.5 or 1%. Whereas BTC is already at the top. It's already buzzing. You understand? So that's another very strong advantage over trading. A very strong advantage. And if you understand that advantage, then when BTC is going up, it's not necessarily that some coins will also be going up. Understand this, and I have a very clear example to back it up. And when we're on the charts, I will show you on how that works. Okay. Now, in the masterclass, we have a lot of signals that are currently going, and I can assure you they are all in profit. I can tell you. It's been a while we've been in this game. We're always here every day to understand the markets, to keep being focused in our trading journey, because I can assure you that we're going to make more than $1 million. We're not here to deceive anybody. We are here to tell you the way it is. If anybody is not telling you on YouTube, or if you have some couple of people that are telling you the truth, you're also hearing from us. Okay? The market is not friendly to the extent that you can bring your money and double your money overnight. It doesn't happen like that. It doesn't happen like that. What is applicable is keep learning, keep engaging with the market, understand different structures, different ways the market moves, different trends, understand it and know how to trade it at different conditions. You see, the market has different ways at which it moves. Downtrend, uptrend, sideways. Sometimes I even take time to move, and I can assure you that if you understand this, it will really help you a lot. Now, yesterday the market was dumping, yes, and during the news around 1:30, between 1:30 to 2, market pumps a bit. Market actually pumps. Okay, someone said they can't hear me. Mic check. Can you hear me now? Am I audible? Can you hear me now? Yes, I just increased the volume of my phone. If you can hear me, please just send hi. Just drop hi in the comment section. Drop hi in the comment section, guys. Drop hi in the comment section. I really love to hear from you guys. Drop hi, and don't forget to smash the like button. Smash the like button. If you can hear me, just send hi. Also, drop your location, guys. Drop your location. Yeah, I have Engineer Kolawole from Port Harcourt. I have JF Kennedy. How are you from UK? You're welcome. We also have Crypto Silver from South Africa. Wow, Crypto Silver, how you doing? Thanks for joining me today. It's been a while actually hearing you. We're so happy you're here. Okay, so more people as you're joining us, drop your location. Drop your location. Drop your location. Okay. Yeah, our topic for today is market structure. If you can hear me, just drop hi in the comment section so that I will be sure that my voice is audible. So we also have Chidema, that's Marion from Port Harcourt, PH. You're welcome, guys. We have Adeola from Lagos. Adeola, how are you? Thanks for joining me. We also have Comfort from Festac Town, Lagos, Nigeria. Hi, how are you? Thank you very much. Okay, thanks for joining me, guys, and I really appreciate you guys are really coming on board. Yeah, so our topic for today again is market structure. We also have Uche Okafor from Lagos. Uche Okafor from Lagos. Thank you very much for joining us. We have Elizabeth Olawale from Ondo State. Yes, this more or less like we now have like regular listeners on our YouTube. They are always here, I can assure you. We also have Ajibola John from Kwara State. Thank you very much for joining us, Ajibola John. We also have Johnson Sunday from Benin City. Hey, my Benin brothers, how you doing? Thanks for joining us again. Really appreciate you for coming around. Really appreciate that. Okay. Yes, as you're joining us, let's have you. Theophilus, hey, my good brother, how you doing? From Lagos. Thanks for joining me as well. Thanks, big thanks to you guys for coming around. And don't forget to smash the like button, guys. Smash that like button. Smash the like button. And if you've not subscribed, if you're very new in our channel, if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll be very glad you did. And I'll so happy that yes, we are having more subscribers into our channel because we want to ensure that this year we grow. Okay, no volume. Am I the only one? Okay, I think you're the only one. I have more than enough volume here. I've increased the volume of my phone, and I think maybe there is volume here. Yeah. Okay, so someone just confirmed that the volume is okay. Yeah, so our topic for today is still centered around market structure, and I'm very sure that I'm going to do justice to that. That. Okay, let me clear this. I'm so excited because our masterclass is doing very well, I can assure you. Okay, yes, all our predictions for all the way from this week alone, we've made a lot of good record, more than 200%. Yes, we're making good record. So let me quickly go through that. So in case if you're not in our masterclass and you want to take these signals as they've already triggered, we're already trading them, and it's just what it is. So here we're trading the YDX, we're trading APE, we're trading STG. I think this STG its stop loss. Yes, STG its stop loss. So we moved out. So the YDX is killing it. Can you see that? Look at our entry. Perfect. Can you see that? Our entry is on point, and okay, the screen is blurry. Yeah, I think that should be the network, but I'm very sure Just refresh, then it will be much more clearer. Yeah, I'm also experiencing the same thing here. HIP. HIP is doing well. Look at that. 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 We're making money. We are making money from our analysis. Yes, yes, yes. That's it. This market, you just have to be committed. Now, let me explain market structure. Okay, I'm going to start using BTC first and foremost. Let me use BTC. This is BTC. So we'll go to the higher time frame. Now, when it comes to the higher time frame, this is how we operate the higher time frame. Okay. Now, if you are shoveling between the 1 minute all the way down to 15 minutes. Okay, so I can say you're using 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. Please pay attention. If you are a scalper, right? Now, as a scalper, you are trying to take advantage of small movement in the market within a very short period of time. Okay, imagine candles are generating every 1 minute. You see, that's very fast, and you probably see a lot of candles. Yeah. So just imagine that. You also have the 5 minute time frame, which has less candle compared to the 1 minute time frame, right? We also have the 15 minutes time frame. We also have less candle compared to the 5 minutes. That's how the whole thing goes. So this is it. This is the 5 minutes trend. Okay, so we have 5 minutes. This is the 5 minutes. Can you see the? We also have the 1 minute. We also have the one. This is the 1 minute. So every minute, new candles always comes out. Every minute. Just imagine that. New candles are always out. Now, that is being a scalper. This is the structure at which you will interact with the time frame. Okay, to ensure that you are able to check your trend from the higher time frame, top down analysis, all the way down to the lower time frame, from high to low. Okay, that's how it's being done. So that's as a scalper. Now, as a day trader, because we are day trader, we practice day trading, right? Now, as a day trader, we use 3 major time frames. If you subscribe to Telegram, what's it called? This software, tradingview. Okay, sorry about that. If you subscribe to View, you can customize your own time frame. Yes, to suit what you want. But if you're in the free version, okay, you can customize, and you can, as a day trader, you'll be able to use the 15 minutes time frame. You'll be able to use the 1 hour time frame, and also the 4 hours time frame. As a day trader, that is what is applicable. Okay, a day trader. Now, we also have swing trading, right? They also have their own time frame. Now, I'm going to be working more with these 3 major time frames. 4 hours, okay, 4 hours, 1 hour, and 15 minutes. The 3 major time frame we use, and I can assure you that with this, you're good. With these time frames, you are good. Yes, you are good. So, having said that, let's understand the market. Your higher time frame, what can you see? Understand price action. You will realize that price action is one of the best way to trade the market, either cryptocurrency, either forex, commodity, stocks, and the other money markets, indices, just name it. That is exactly how you can trade it. Price action is one of the best way to trade the market for profit making. Aside from that, there are other ways you can also make profit. Okay, there are other ways, and I think it all depends. Some people use moving average, some use indicators, different things. But I can assure you that price action is one of the most reliable, one of the best to analyze the market. That is technical analysis. Yes. Now, moving forward, as a day trader, let's see what the market structure is telling us. So I will always ask myself on the higher time frame, what is here? Follow your rules back to back. And following your rules is not something I will just come here and tell you. You have to practice. It has to be, you have to get used to it. Okay? You have to get used to following your rules. And you know that sometimes when you're trying to follow your rules and it's not yielding results, you're frustrated and you don't want to follow the rules. Definitely, if you're making money, you will follow the rules. There's no how. There's nothing anybody can do about that. You will. Okay? But what I'm saying in essence is following rules now depends on which rules are we talking about. Which rule are you following? And to follow a rule you have set, it now depends on your own knowledge. Knowledge is something that will help you to create a better rule that will be profitable. If something is profitable, nobody wants to leave money and pursue stones. No. Okay? Everybody wants to ensure that they understand where the money is. And looking at this, what can you see? Right? Can you see this? What can you see? So looking at this from the lower time frame, this is the structure. Okay, you can see around here, right? You can see here, you can see here. Apparently this is what? A downtrend, right? Then from here you can see the accumulation phase, then all the way to the top. Then we had a pullback, then up all the way, right? Then looking at this area here, this is the structure. Okay, now since we now understand the structure, we'll now start to draw the lines. Okay, we'll start to draw the lines. So first and foremost, we can see that this area, this place, is connecting with this place, right? So we have to put a line there, because we call something area of confluence. You see, when we're talking about area of confluence, it's more or less about when candle has, or when a trade has already tested this area before and is coming back to that same price. Okay, this place is called area of what? Confluence. So there used to be a lot of decision made around that area. Now looking at this, now we now zoom. Let's look at the candles. Let's look at it candles by candles. What can we see? So we have something like a triangle, or sort of like up, down, up. Okay, you see that? Yeah, that's something like triangle. Now looking at this, now when you take note of candles, okay, so we have the wick. Okay, the body. Okay, you know, the body is carrying a lot of weight compared to the wick. The body carries more weight compared to the wick. So first and foremost, consider the body first. Okay, so the body ends here. Can you see that? So we're using this. Yeah, this is where the body of the candle ends. And you can see that it is the same body that most of all these wicks they are leaning on. Okay, and this is what we call rejection. You can see. Okay, there's a buy pressure. There is a buy pressure. Now, any candle that closes below this, that tells you that's the what? Strong downtrend. So now that we were able to spot the wicks, that shows we are still what? Uptrend. Okay? Yeah. And you can also call this head and shoulder. This is shoulder 1, head, and shoulder 2. Okay? And when it comes to head and shoulder, if you want to trade head and shoulder, it is at the neckline we call the what? Breakout. If it breaks out to the neckline, then you can now take your trade. But if it doesn't break to the neckline, then you have to hold on. Okay? Make sure you follow that analysis. So now, the reason why we have to go, now we now understand the structure. We can see what, what this is showing us. We can see clearly what this is all about, right? So based on this, you will now make your decision on the lower time frame. Yeah, on the lower time frame. Okay, so that's how to use market structure to trade. So let's check others. Let's check. Okay, yeah, let me clear all these lines so I can yeah, my check. I hope I'm audible. This place looks like a reversal, right? So that's to tell you that very soon we are going to have something like to the downside. So get ready about that. Get ready. Now here, but currently, after this uptrend, okay, we have a downtrend, pull back, downtrend, pull back. Yes. Okay. So that tells you what does that tells you? What does that tells you? I think I need to close some of my trades. They're almost okay. Approaching my TP because I did not set my stop loss. Okay, I didn't set my stop loss. And looking at Ethereum looks like a downtrend. Okay, so we have downtrend, pullback, downtrend, pullback. Okay, so until this breaks out, they will consider this as an uptrend. But as we speak, it's still a downtrend. Yes, this is still a downtrend. Market have different phases, and it doesn't mean that even if there's a downtrend, if there's a trend, opportunities for uptrend, they will. But looking at this is a downtrend. Okay, so if you have to place your entry, then your entry will be at this 1666. Okay, that will be your entry. Okay, so that's it. Then here, so the only time you will consider this as an uptrend is when it breaks this line, and you will be able to pick that early enough on the lower time frame. Don't forget, you'll be able to pick that early enough on the lower time frame. That's why we have to go down 1 hour. In the 1 hour, what structure can we see? Already, this line will guide us on how to trade this. Can you see? So this is already a downtrend. Down, pull back, down, pull back. Can you see that? You can see that this guy didn't break, okay, like this. And this guy is already here. So the question is, are we going to break, or is it going to continue the downtrend? Yes. So you can see that the 1 hour is still giving us that same structure. Then on the 15-minute time frame, let's see. Yeah, can you see? It's still struggling to move out of this place. So it's still here. So that tells you that if we have to trade this, then you will do something like this all the way down. Okay, your stop loss. Yeah, first and foremost, this will be your stop loss. This will be your take profit. And your stop loss. Now, I have two ways I always look at my stop loss. Two ways. Number one, if a candle close above here, okay, if any candle close above, then I will, what is, I will ensure that this thing doesn't go like that. If I'm in the trade, I will close the trade. If any candle close above, okay. Yeah, that's how I used to trade this. Because looking at the stop loss, if I have to place my stop loss on this, my stop loss should be somewhere here, and that's 2%, and I'm targeting 3%. So the risk to reward ratio is too risky. Yes, I rather want to risk 1% and gain 3%. Yeah, and even if I want to do dollar cost average, I know how I want to do dollar cost average. Okay, so that's how it is. Everybody have their own pattern. That is my own pattern. Yeah, so I think Ethereum is looking like a downtrend. Let's go back to BTC. BTC, let's see. BTC, let me understand the structure again on the 4 hours time frame. Yeah, BTC looks like is very strong to the upside. Can you see it? So for Ethereum looks like this: down, up, down. But BTC is not like that. BTC is like up, down, up, down. You understand? This is exactly what BTC looks like. It's king. We have to look at BTC, considering other outcomes. We have Ethereum. You see, Ethereum is not even pumping. Ethereum is just there. Just there. You can see the percentage. Today alone, BTC has pumped 2.5%, and Ethereum has only pumped 0.6. That's very small. Okay, that is very, very small. Yeah, so we are also trading HIP. These are one of our signals, and it's going well. This is on the 4 hours time frame. Can you see that? So yeah, the reason why we traded this was because you can see the way it works. So we have on the 4 hours time frame, we have this 1, 2, 3. That's about triple top, right? So we have a breakout here to the downside. Let me show you well. So looking at this, around here, there's a pullback. Then yeah, already you can see that it's more like downtrend, pullback. So we are trading the pullback. That's what we are trading currently. Downtrend, pullback. Just take advantage of that and make your money and move out, right? Okay, so hopefully it's my pullback around here. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame so we can see. Yes, what I can see, okay, is showing me that there might be, yes, so that should be my take profits, or even here, that should be my take profits. Yes, because it might pull back around that area. It's a downtrend. The trend is very strong to the downside. Can you see that? Yes, very strong to the downside. So we'll now go 1 hour. Yes, can you see that? Yeah, but we speculated that the take profit will be somewhere here, but we are still in good profit anyway. We are still in good profit. Okay, so let's go to the lower time frame. Is happening here. Let's look at more activities. Okay, yeah, now look at this. Can you see that? So we have uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback. Okay. Now, the reason why we entered this was because we had an uptrend here, uptrend and pullback. Okay, here. So we did dollar cost average, then all the way here. Okay. So if we check, let's remove this. Okay, sorry. Let's remove this. Okay, so you can see how that works. So let's see, maybe we'll probably take profit around here because we are looking at pullback around here. But BTC is giving us a lot of assurance. BTC is assuring us that everything is good. Let's go, let's go, let's go. BTC is giving us that vibes, giving us that positivity. Can you see that? Okay, BTC is the one giving us that courage to go. That's why I said that BTC has a lot of relationship between the altcoins. Strong one. Yeah, but I'm so surprised that Ethereum is not really performing well. Yeah, you can see. So I think for Ethereum, this might play out. So by the time BTC got exhausted, okay, then BTC got exhausted. You can see that BTC have more or less like double bottom, uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Okay, that's it. So let's see, how far this will go. Let's see if it will continue to pump or, yeah, take profit is around 25,000. If we were trading BTC, you can see that BTC created a double around the neckline. There was, around that area, and then looking at this from looking at the previous high, 25,000 is a good place to take profits. Yes, 25k is a good place to take profits unless there is another breakout. Okay, it will now be like uptrend, pullback. 25k will now become another support. Okay, it becomes another support, which if you still want to trade, you just, that's how it works. Yeah, and it's looking good. Okay, it's looking good, yeah. So guys, thank you very much. Don't forget that this segment is sponsored by Bybit. Bybit is our official exchange. Even if you can see, all my trades are on Bybit. All my trades are all on Bybit. I trade on Bybit regularly, and that's how it works. So I believe in, if I have to tell you guys something, then I also have to believe in that thing. I can't be telling you trade with Bybit and I'm not even using it. I don't believe in that. I don't think that is proper. Yeah, anything I want you to try, then that means that thing, I'm also a partaker of that thing, and that thing is also giving benefits I claim it has. Okay, these are things that are very important when you have people you're trying to guide. You understand? So I create your indulgence that use Bybit to carry out your trades. If you have any, okay, we have Bybit team that always attend to us. Apart from the customer service, if you have any problem, I will submit your UID to them. They will check for you and they'll give me feedback. Okay, and that's just the way it plays. So, and if you observe, Bybit is taking their futures trading very, very serious. Yes, they're taking their futures trading very serious. They want you to make money in crypto via people like us who are teaching you regularly, who is very consistent, who is ensuring that it's dishing out the education regularly. That's what Bybit was. That's how Bybit said, okay, we want you to do this and we're going to support you. And they're doing that. Okay? Bybit is doing that. Right? So I want you guys to learn trade and use their platform to carry out your trade. Okay? So that's it. And they have a very good transaction fees. They will not overcharge your account. Even if you're making profit, you're not even bothered about the fees. But if you're not making profit, then there's a problem. Okay? And I can assure you that if you join my class, you will make profit. Yes, I'm not here to deceive anybody. What I'm doing here is the same thing I'm going to do to give you signal. If you can learn it, you will give yourself signals, you will give other people signals, you will be profitable. If you want me to give you signal, you want to trade with me, because when I throw out my own signal, I explain I'm entering, why when I'm moving out and all that. And that's very important. So that is for the masterclass. For those who want to join the masterclass, that this is available. We work together hand in hand, and we also have what's it called? We have training. Yes, we have training Tuesdays and Thursdays for masterclass, 8 p.m. Nigerian time. Because it's not about just giving you signals. I also have to teach you how I am doing it, so that you can also do the same. Okay, so my masterclass is not just come and get signals and lose your money and go. No, learn. If you learn, it stays with you forever. Yes, it stays with you forever. Okay, advantage. Okay, that is a big advantage. Yep. So that's for that. So guys, don't forget that if you're new class, I believe that's a very good place to start from A to Z about crypto, DeFi, NFTs, about BTC, how BTC came about, blockchain, name it. All these things, I teach everything. And I'll also teach you technical analysis, fundamental analysis. I'll teach you everything. Okay? I will teach you all those things. And those are things, that's what it takes to become profitable. Okay? Then in the advanced class, it's free. Just come here every day. Our beginner class is not free. It's 40 USD every for 12 months. 40 USD. Very, very affordable. Right? And our master class costs 50 USDT monthly. Yeah, monthly. Very profitable masterclass. So that's it. Yeah, so guys, next segment we are entering now will now be drop your coins. Let's analyze your coins for you. Of the advantage, if you join me all the time, I will also assist you in helping you analyze your own coin. Either you are currently trading or you want to start trading. It all depends. Okay, it all depends. Yeah, so I can see someone want to analyze Elizabeth Olawale. You can see I want me to analyze ANKR. Sorry, ANKR. Yeah. Okay, we also have Chinansa from Anambra State. Thank you very much for joining us. Margaret says she can't hear anything. I wonder why. Maybe you should just move out of the house and come back refresh. That'll be fine. We have Harriet Union Robert from Italy. How are you, Mr. Madam Harriet? How you doing? Okay, JF Kennedy said we should analyze fear. Okay, and Tina said we should also analyze Tether. Okay, so let's start. So guys, don't forget, drop your link, drop your coins. Let us analyze for you, or let me analyze for you. Okay, so the ones that have been dropped, let's check them out. Let's check them out. ANKR. Okay, ANKR. Let's see how it works. Okay, so we're using bybit. So, and in our beginner's class, you will also learn how to use tradingview. Yes, and we're having our beginner's class today, our master class today. Beginner's class starts by 4 p.m. Nigerian time. Master class starts by 8 p.m. Nigerian time. NKR, the same thing. Okay, BTC already hit 25,000. So let me close my trades. BTC already hit 25,000. You see, if you are making consistent profit, you don't need your what's it called, to go all the way. No, come on. You don't need to go all the way. So let us close our trade. You can see here, we have here. So we've made profits. So let's close this. Okay. Even if it goes beyond this, doesn't matter. We have made good profits. You see that? We have made good profits. And that is what it takes to become a profitable trader. Profitable trader. Yes. So let's analyze ANKR. If I was not on this call, I would always like to monitor my trades. So let's analyze this. So let's go on the higher time frame. Don't make things complicating for yourself. stuff. Okay, very easy to analyze. So let's check. Let's delete all the lines. Okay, so if you observe, it has similar structure with BTC, right? Okay, not really. Okay, so from here, let's see what happened. Yeah, so we have this place which looks fantastic. It has like a triple bottom, and if you've been monitoring the trade, that is also a very good place to buy. Yes, Elizabeth Olawale, the 10 USDT is still on giveaway on bybit, but it's only for new accounts. It's only for new account, don't forget. Okay, yeah, so let's make this thing very, very simple. We don't want it to be complicated. This is ANKR. So we have uptrend all the way, we have downtrend. So let's see, let's look at it. Okay, so we can see something around here. Yeah, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at the candles very well. Look at the candles. Look at the candles. Look at the candles. Can you see them? Look at the candles. Okay. So this looks like after this downtrend was a reversal. You can even see a morning star. Can you see morning star? Yeah. So it confirms an uptrend, and there's been a lot of fluctuation here. Okay, but looking at this, it looks like an uptrend. Yes. So let's analyze it on the lower time frame. Let's see what happened. What transpired here? Okay. Yes. So here we have double top, though it looks it slants. So we have up, down, or let me do it this way to make things easier. We have somewhere here. Look at it. Can you see it? So we have a downtrend, but I usually don't like to analyze this downtrend like this, but let's just use it. So we have a downtrend, pull back, because the reason why I say so is because to catch this trade when it hasn't formed is very, very difficult. To catch this trade on a downtrend, very, very difficult, unless you want to use BTC to trade this coin directly. Yes, to catch, let me show you guys. You know what I'm talking about. So from here, bar replay. Yeah, look at the bar replay. Can you see that? Yes, look at it. So basically, you think this guy is pumping to the moon. Yeah, look at this, look at that, look at that, look at that. Right? So let's play. Look at it. Look at it. Can you see? Can you see? Yeah. That was a big drop. That's just the way it is. Okay, so let's close that. Okay, so now looking at this shows that from this downtrend, this coin has recovers. Okay, from this downtrend, it has already recovers to the upside. Though I can't see any sign of reversal. I can only see a bearish Arami. Okay, or let's say bullish Arami rather. So it has now changed from downtrend. Okay, so up, pull back, but this place is not clear now. Look at this. Look at what happened here. There was a pullback here. That's the neckline. The neckline for this double top. So it came all the way to the top and reject all the way back. It's just analysis. Okay. So let's see how we're going to take trade on this. What I would advise, this is not looking so clear. Just do away with this this coin. Yeah, it's not looking clear, but you can use this to hold your ground. Yep. So I think there will be down, up. Okay. So that guy, this 0.0344 is a good place to buy. Okay. So this will be your stop loss. This is your entry. This is your stop loss. Take profit can go all the way here. Okay. This is your stop loss, 1.7, or let's say 1.5. That's your stop loss. Okay, so 1 to 2, you should 1 to 2. If you have to trade this is not bad. Okay, so the next one will be, let's see, I can see a lot of people have dropped a lot of coins. So let's go for fear. Fear. Let's check the one analysis. So what do we have? I think I analyzed this coin yesterday. Yeah, everything went as analyzed. So let me clear all this. So for fear, okay, I can see that it's trying to reject this. Okay, it has broken to the upside. Okay, so I think you're supposed to have been early to this call. Supposed to have been on this trade before now. Supposed to have been on that trade before now. You're not on that trade before now, then before that, this is it. Let's check the higher time frame. Okay, so this is the pullback. So it's still struggling to break out. It's still struggling with breakout. This coin is struggling with the breakout. Really struggling with breakout. So let's check the 1 hour time frame. It's loading up. I think the network is not very strong. So can you see? We have double top, downtrend, pullback. Okay, downtrend. Yeah. So this is still struggling. Is rejecting this. So I think this will be a very good place to short. Yes, to short this trade. This is short position. Short all the way here. So we have stop loss. So this is for theta. Let's go to on the 15-minute time frame. This is what we have. Network is very poor. Pardon me for that. Okay, so this theta looks like the market is going down. Okay, so I already give you how you trade that. We have to be very fast because network it's looking very bad here. So we have ADA. Let's see ADA. For ADA, let's go for us. For ADA, yeah, I think ADA it's better you go short. So that up, down. So let's check the time frame. Yes, can you see that? Yeah, so it's still struggling to pump to the upside. Okay, so to take an uptrend, make sure this goes like this. Okay, so we're waiting for breakout for ADA. Waiting for breakouts. Waiting for this to break out so I can make a better decision. 15 minutes time frame. Yep, so here you can see it's been struggling up, down all the way. So if it breaks out, something like this, maybe uptrend, pull back, uptrend. Yeah, so I'll prefer you just leave the trade alone. It's not really certain the way it moves, the way it's going to move. So LIT, let's see. So we have, let's check on the 4-hour time frame. So we have this. Yes. So something like after this downtrend, pull back, and downtrend. But let's see. I think here, nothing to do for now. Okay, there's nothing you can do here. Just look for the opportunity on the lower time frame. Yeah, so here we have something like double bottom. Okay, so we're waiting for breakout. We need this guy to break out to the upside. Okay, so it's going to be something like this. Uptrend, pull back, uptrend. Okay, so it's going to be something like up. This is it. This is a very strong trade, but hopefully it will materialize. But BTC needs to pump for this trade to go up. But I doubt this will happen. I doubt this. I doubt if that will happen. Okay, so here it looks like it's still consolidating here until it breaks out. Then you can make your better decision. Okay, so we have EOS. That's another beautiful coin. EOS network has not been good to us, but let's continue like this. Please, if you can hear me, please smash. Just send them hi. Just send hi. Let me hear from you guys. And don't forget, if you're subscribe to this YouTube channel, I'll be grateful if you do that. And as you're watching me, you need to smash the like button. Smash the like button so that YouTube algorithm will recommend this live to more people. Yes. Okay. Okay, this has already broken out. This is already a breakout to the upside. It's confirmed the uptrend. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, let's see. Apparently, we're going to see more candles. Yeah, this has broken to the upside. So when we come to 15 minutes time frame, you just wait for pullback. Wait for this to pull back. After the pullback, then continue to go up. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, so we have uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Okay, so that's your entry. That's your entry there. So your stop loss 1.5. That's for US. Then we have for OP. So for OP, let's check the higher time frame. Let's see what we have. Yeah, okay. Let me see. On the 4 hour time frame, it's not looking clear. But let's just go to our time frame. It's not giving us any decision making on the higher time. It's just neutral. It's still neutral. It needs more movement. Okay, either to the upside or to the downside. So what I would advise is to wait for breakout for OP. Okay, let's go to Mina protocol. That's one of my favorite altcoin. Okay, so we have Mina protocol. Then let's go to the higher time frame. Very easy, easy. Okay, so here we have this. So that was a pullback. That was a bounce around that area. So now the question is, if you look at the neckline, it has already broken out to the neckline, which is this. Can you see that? So we're expecting uptrend all the way. 1 hour. The 1 hour time frame, what do we have? Can you see? This is a double bottom. Uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Okay, so let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, can you see? So normally it's supposed to have been in this trade. So this trade is also very, very active. This is an uptrend. This is your stop loss. This is your take profit. So you can go all the way here. Yeah, about 8%. Yes. So let's see how that works. Then we have, which one? We have Gala. We have Gala. Okay. Let's see the higher time frame. So what does Gala look like? Let's remove all this. Okay. So here, okay, it's bouncing around that area. And then let's see. So what I would say is that I'm not very careful with this Gala because my manipulates. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, it has already pumped. So just wait. Because if you have to wait for pullback around here, that pullback might be a dump. Something like that. The pullback might be a dump. Wow, we are still, market is still pumping. Market is still pumping. You can see at 25,000 there was a pullback. So supposed to have been in this trade. Yes, supposed to have been in this trade. This Gala is supposed to have been trading this. So we have, this was the breakout here. Breakout retests uptrend. Okay, supposed to have been in this trade, like as we speak, supposed to be in profit. So if you want to enter this trade now, I don't think it's advisable, because when you're trading, entry is very, very important. Entry is very, very important. Supposed to have been here. This is your take profit. That's about 4%. So I think you need to check that. So which other one? Yeah, I can see HAPE. HAPE is almost, I've already closed my trade, but I still need to show you guys. This is it. Because I'm here, I have to monitor my trade. So it's almost eating take profit. You see? Almost. Yeah, almost eating take profit. Can you see that? That's wonderful. That is wonderful. Yes. It's take profit. So which other one again? Let's see. Another coin. Okay, guys. So because of this network that is not really pleasant to us, then let's continue tomorrow on Telegram. Tomorrow on Telegram, I'll be live 11 a.m. Nigerian time. Guys, don't forget, this segment is brought to you by Bybit. Bybit is our official exchange. It's one of the best exchange in the crypto space. You can go and check. They have proof of reserve. They are doing well. They have a lot of traders, and their platform is very, very good, very smooth, very easy. They give you best limit order when you are placing your trade. Okay, and if you want to use limit order, if you want to use market order, all is fine. Okay, so guys, that will be it for this. And don't forget, if you want to join, so guys, I'm so sorry, I won't be able to continue the analysis because of the network is very poor. Then we can still drop it on the Telegram. Then I will just show you how you can trade it. This is exclusive service for most of our masterclass. Okay, so guys, if you want to join the masterclass, just message me on Telegram. Then I will give you details on how to join masterclass. Yes, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.